Hello guys, today I'm back with a collab for the Lollipop Box Club. I keep talking really slow because I'm trying not to say I always say in my videos, and you know what, it's a pain in the ass to try and edit all of that out. Literally, if it could be a drinking game, you would end up seriously pissed off your face by the amount of times that I say so I'm trying not to say So I'm back with a collab to let you know, not today, but when this video is going out, it is my birthday, so I'm not actually doing it on my birthday, but when I'm posting it, it is my birthday. Anyway, I just thought I'd add that in there. So yeah, this is a collab with all the girlies in the creative team of the Lollipop Box Club, and we've decided to do a journal page on what me time means to me. And I'm kind of in the middle of my days off at the moment, and I'm having so much me time, it's unreal. I love my me time, and to me, me time is relaxing. It's not, for me, it's not anything spiritual, I suppose. I'm not a particularly spiritual person, but I do like my me time. I suppose that's probably why I've not had kids or don't want kids, because I like my me time too much. I'm selfish. I like my me time. I always tell people that when people tell me why I don't want kids. It's like I like me time. So me time is basically that. It's spending time to myself, to be creative. I love being creative, and whether that be painting or doing a happy mail or writing or just using my imagination or drawing or that kind of thing, just anything creative, to me that is my me time. That is me expressing myself, and that is me. That's my me time. I do like to spend time with other people as well, but me time is time with me. It's like, pamper day is a pamper day. So my type of pamper day would be, spending the day being creative and then having a nice bath, or going out and having a pamper day with like getting my hair done, or getting a massage, or getting my nails done, which you can tell I've not got my nails done for a little while. That is what I'm going to try and convey into my page. It's basically me being creative. I printed off a couple of photos that I thought would work well. I'm not actually a scrapbooker, and I don't usually put photos in my creative journals, but I'm going to try because I figured out how to use my sprocket, and I remembered that I bought one. I found it in my drawer, my tool drawer. So I've kind of printed off like a picture of me water. You probably really can't see that, it's like tiny. And then I've got an afternoon tea, and my sister's in the corner there, but it's when we went to afternoon tea at my favourite restaurant called the Bath Priory, which is literally just down the road from me. I can walk there. Michelin starred place, and we had afternoon tea, so you can see our pink champers there, which is always good. And I have got another picture of my sister. When I printed it out, I realised she's kind of looking a bit scary. The scary eyes. So I did a black and white because when I did this picture, I just couldn't get the lighting right. For some reason, I need to get some better lighting, and for some reason my walls, even though they're like a really tiny, like a dusky lilac, they look so purple, it's unreal. Anyway, so I was going to try and put at least 2 pictures in and sort of see where I go with that, and see if I actually like putting pictures into things. I always find like I have to be chronological. Like if I don't do it straight away, then I can't put it in a journal. But I just thought, well, actually, it's my journal. I can put whatever I like in it, so it doesn't have to be in chronological order. So those are the pictures that I'm hopefully going to use, and I've chosen a couple of colours that will go well with the Lollipop Box Club kit, because I want to sort of lay down some colours as well, because I want to do other things with my papers. I probably should ask if I can get more papers ready, sort of buy more papers, because I always run out of them. So I'm using some paints that I think that will go. I love me Dilutions paints at the moment, so I might use those. So I've got Mushy Peas, which is the newer collection, which is a more pastel, and then this is again from the pastel collection, which is a peony blush. I think I thought the name I like an even pinkier colour than that, but I don't know, that kind of worked kind of well. So I'll see what I can come up with, and yeah, I hope you enjoy. here, so it kind of looks a bit busy, doesn't it? I do like the look. I really need to... I like these stickers, these alpha stickers, but they don't tend to stick down very well. I always pick them up when I go to Hobbycraft. I've got loads of them, just loads of them. I like the colours and stuff. I'm not really a scrapbooker, so the whole kind of photo layout is kind of a bit new to me, so I'm trying, and I like the look of it, so, but I just think it's a little bit busy, so maybe I'll learn for next time. But this is the way it turned out. I had to put gold splatters on there because, yeah, I feel like without them, like, a page isn't completed. And there has to be some there. It just kind of gives it that nice little look. Trust me, try it if you haven't before, and you'll know what I'm talking about. So I cut out a bit of the schedule thing because I don't tend to use that kind of thing because I've got my happy planner. I don't know really know where I'd put it. Maybe put it at the back, I don't know, but I don't tend to use it because I don't tend to plan for hour after hour, because just the type of job that I got is always, I don't have time to look at my planner when I'm at work because I'm not a physical job, but, you know, a clinical job, so yeah, I don't, unless I'm on an admin day, I won't have my planner with me, and I haven't had an admin day for ages. Yeah, I cut out the priorities and kind of used them, so this is my priorities for when I'm having me time, and I've just put doing something creative, relaxing, and getting pampered, so those are me priorities for when I'm having a me day. I like it with the writing. I think the writing kind of brings it together. I kind of learn from this. You know, I do like putting photos and things. I don't usually, I'm not more of a photo person, but now I've got me sprocket to work and I kind of like the little pictures, so maybe it'll encourage me to take more photos, and that is always one of my New Year's resolutions, is to take more photos, but I don't. Anyway, so those are my pages. Check out Lisa's videos as well. Hers is going up as well today. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. Subscribe if you like the content, and leave a thumbs up. I really appreciate it. And this sounds rather dorky. Why does everybody sound like so like professional when they say that kind of stuff? And then there's me that just sounds like a complete dork. So thank you guys so much for watching. I'll speak to you guys soon.